Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another exciting boxing glove related video. Today I've got something really cool that has come all the way from Bangkok in Thailand. These took a little bit of a while to come, but they're here now, and well, I say they took a while. They took like, I think 5 or 6 days, which is a while for me. I'm used to getting stuff in 2 days. But yeah, these are some Thaismai BG124 boxing gloves, which I'm really excited to try out. Now, right off the bat, I just want to say I used to do Thai boxing and I don't anymore. I do traditional boxing now. I do, just Western boxing. But I saw these Thaismai gloves on the Combat Corporation's channel and I was really interested in how soft and cushiony they looked. And so I started looking into the brand. I'll just keep talking while I'm opening these. I started looking into the brand and a lot of people say they're like a Thai version of Winning. Now, that really interests me. So I figured, do you know what the heck, I'll buy a pair and I'll see, what they're like. Because again, I saw on the Combat Corps video, they looked absolutely ultra mega soft, which I usually really like in gloves. I've actually tried Winnings. If you guys look on my channel, I've got a review of the 16 ounce MS 600 Winning boxing gloves, and they're really nice. So I always like trying to see if there's gloves that are similar to that for a much cheaper price that more people can, afford, as Winnings do cost a hell of a lot of money. But I also really like the colour of these, another reason I got them. I currently own 5 pairs of gloves. 4 of them are black and 1 of them are white and black. So I thought, you know what, I need to start diversifying my collection a little bit in terms of colour. So you're going to have to excuse me why this is taking so long. This is like really well wrapped up. But yeah, we're going to be basically doing a little first impression video. And also I'm going to be trying them on with my hand wraps on. I'm going to start doing that in all my videos so I can give you guys a good idea of what the fit is like with your wraps on, as I know most people do wear wraps. But without further ado, here we have the Thaismai BG124 boxing gloves, all the way from Bangkok in Thailand, as you can see in the bag there. So we're going to quickly take a look and I'll give you a little first impression, then we'll take a closer look at the glove and we'll see what I think. Again, you can see BG124, the label there. Thaismai also do a model called the BG121, which is the lace-up version. And there's a little bit of history. Thaismai is one of the oldest Thai brands in Thailand. They started in the 1960s and they've been making Muay Thai and boxing equipment ever since. So, first impression, here is the Thaismai BG124 16 ounce boxing gloves. I got these in a really nice green, actually the same as the Combat Corporation. And straight away I can already tell, look how soft that is. We love that. You can actually hear the air. So I'm going to put these on straight away without hand wraps and see what I think. Very nice strong Velcro. Oh yeah, that's really comfortable already. Nice strong Velcro there. Yeah. Put the other one on. So the finger compartment is really deep in these, which is one thing that I like. Good wrist support. Nice long, very long wrist strap to wrap right round. And straight away, off the bat, very comfortable. You do have quite a bit of room in them, as you would expect in, like usual Thai gloves. Nice, really strong smell of leather there. And as you can see, they do fasten up really nicely. And the Velcro doesn't overhang too far either, which I also really like. You've got your classic Thai kind of build with the glove. It's more of a short wrist cuff, Muay Thai style, but still nice wrist support there. And nice and broken in straight off the bat with that open palm, which is obviously usually for clinching in Muay Thai. Quite long thumbs on these, but no, I like them. They're comfy. I think they'll be even nicer and a bit snugger when I've got my hand wraps on, which we'll try in a minute. And because of the room in the hand compartment, I'll probably won't have much issue fitting some knuckle guards in these either, which I like the idea of. So I'll get my camera and I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer look up at the glove. I really like the wrist as well. Look how long that Velcro is, really nice. But yeah, we'll have a closer up look and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we have the Thaismai BG124 boxing gloves. They've actually got purple on the tag, which I really like. And you've got your 16-ounce tag there as well. Taking a look at the underside of the gloves. Oh yeah, there's the logo, by the way. Best of quality since 1960, made in Thailand, so for over 6 decades now. That's pretty crazy. Really nice stitching. I always kind of expect that of Thai-made gloves. I've had a pair of Fairtexes in the past, and they were really, really nice. But yeah, immaculate stitching pretty much. Nice rounded cuff as usual. Even though I do Western boxing, I actually really like the cuff style of Thai gloves. That rounded cuff I've always found is very comfortable. You got quite a lip there over the thumb, is like a webbed thing as opposed to like a loop on the end. Again, already, as you can see, nice and supple and soft and broken in. I mean, you can see how soft they are. Excuse me, I got cold. But yeah, really nice. I love the green colour as well. There's the inner lining there. If I was trying to describe the inner lining, it's kind of like probably not as soft as some of the other gloves. It's not as silky smooth as the fly gloves that I've got, but still really nice. And again, it's not as bulbous as a lot of Thai gloves. It's still got that short, stocky build. And one thing that surprises me is it doesn't actually have padding here in this bit. On Thai gloves, you usually always see a big raised padding here, where this kind of, you can see where they've put the stitching in for the cutout. There's usually a big bulky padding there, but there isn't on these. But I'm going to shop my hand wraps on, and we'll try these on with wraps on, see what they're like. So, be right back. Alright, so that took a little bit of time, but I got my hand wrapped as I usually would for boxing. I'm using the new Fly monogram hand wraps that I got with my Fly gloves. If you guys haven't seen my review on those, they're up on the channel. So let's try these on now with hand wraps, and I'll give you my opinion on what I think. So they feel good with hand wraps. Filled out the glove a little bit more. One thing I do really like, again, is you can really get that wrist cinched up, and they do fit your arm well. I have quite skinny arms and they do fit me well. The hand wraps have definitely filled them out a bit more. You can make a good fist in these as well. And of course they are in that more kind of like Thai glove style shape, you know, short and stocky. But I do feel like, there's going to be room in these for my knuckle guards, which are really good. Is really good, should I say. I like that. I like to use those. And yeah, I think I'm going to really like using these. I'll let you guys know how they go once I have used them. But first impressions are really good. Nice and soft. Pre-broken in. Again, you can see I can move that. I can really open that wide. I mean, look at that. Like, literally straight open. I really like that. And I don't feel like, they are actually, a lot of Thai gloves that I've tried in the past, I can pull my arm out without even having to undo the Velcro. I can't do that on these. I can move my hand inside the glove, but I can't pull them out, which is good. The thumb does go quite far up. I don't know if that's really a Thai glove thing. But all in all, I'm really impressed with these. Really nice wrist support, which I usually don't expect in a Thai glove. Usually you have more flexibility. There is flex there, but I feel like these are more rigid than the other ones I've tried, than say like a twin or something, twins pair of gloves. But yeah, all in all, I'm pleased with these. I really like the colour. I'll do some training in them and I'll let you guys know what I think of them. So for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, where I'll be doing an updated review on these Thaismai BG124s. And catch you guys in the next one. So for now, guys, take care. Bye bye.